Hey guys, showing you this 9-in-1 pen. So this is a really nice pen with a handy tool as a gift for the tool things. So it comes in a nice box. So this have the multi-use pen that can be used. So you see the manual that describes how like different functions. So this is the main pen, and these are the additional the refills. So there are two refills here, and you can just put it in the pen to use. So you can see like this have a compass here, and you can use all this open up these all different parts for the different tools like the glass breaking, or like the pen, or the ignition initiator, or the fire starter, the multi-tool stuff for cutting and things, and the additional stuff here like the bottle opener and things. So it's a great thing to have, like with a multi-tool that you can just take it with you, and very handy to complete your work and stuff. Hope it's useful for you as well.